I'm Pat McGowin, project manager with Dynamic Energy. I've been with Dynamic for about 3 years now and have worked with CPS on quite a number of projects here in New York State. This was a fantastic project we did with Hobart and William Smith colleges. It's combined with a sister array right down the road for about 5.5 megawatts. Dynamic is a full turnkey solar developer and EPC. This project we actually own as well. So this was a great partnership between us and the college. This site was a little challenging as it is kind of rough terrain. A portion of it was used as a clean fill, so there was some construction debris that we had to work around, and certainly had its challenges as far as post driving went. Once getting the posts in and getting our foundation set, it really was a great project. We wrapped it up. It was about a 3-month timeline from beginning of construction to interconnection. Dynamic has a great relationship with CPS. Brian and the sales team are always great to work with. The availability and flexibility of their product is great. We never have an issue to get the inverters we need on site, and lead times are always well within what we need to get the project built. We really rely on their reputation, and the reliability of the product speaks for itself. We've installed probably 20 megawatts worth of CPS inverters in New York State over the past 3 years. Everything from the 23, 28, 36 kWs on both rooftop and ground mounts. Moving to the 50s and 60s on this project was great. Less inverters, less time, faster install is always great for both us and the customer. The installers love the product. Easy to install, lightweight. The separate power head with the wiring box is great. It allows for us to go through with just the wire box and install all of our conduits, which makes it much faster. We can come through with the power head at the end of the project, plop it right on there, and we're good to go. And moving forward with the larger scale ground mounts, the 7 to 10 megawatts, looking forward to using the 100 to 125 kW inverters. Again, it's going to streamline the installation and cut down on man hours. The engineering and technical team for CPS is great as well. Having Robert locally to be able to answer any of our RMA requests is great. Having the separate power head allows for us to swap out an inverter that failed much quicker. It's a couple screws and you can replace the power head within 5 minutes, whereas, you know, if it's one unit, you have to rewire the whole thing and take the conduit out, which makes for a lot longer O&M process. Over the past 10 years, Dynamic has worked with pretty much every inverter manufacturer out there. We find that the partnership we have with CPS keeps us competitive, and we rely on the reputation of their product to get the job done.